Alright, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to get more than the 150 on the Hammer VPN. Yeah, alright. I'm just gonna try and do it real quick. Alright. First you go into settings, or just to get the app info, but I have it here on the screen so I can get it from here. But you go into settings, application, and then look for Hammer VPN, and you will end up right here. First you have to force stop the app. When you force stop the app, you wait until clear data comes up. You press clear data, you clear the data, then you just exit. You press the button that will give you all the apps, the recent apps that are running and open in the background. So you just do that, and then you just get rid of the Hammer VPN from here. Yeah. Then you have to go into File Manager, or whatever it is you would be using. You can use ES File Explorer or File Manager. Alright, I'll use the ES File Explorer because there's something else that I want to show you also. Alright, when you come into ES File Explorer, you go to Android. That's root of the SD card. You go to the SD card. Let me start over. SD card, local. Then you go to the SD card. Yeah. Then you go to the SD card, you go to the Android folder. Then you'll see a file, this file here, place stored .srf.h, and you will have the Hammer folder. First you delete the file that is in the Hammer temporary directory. Delete this file. Yeah, after you delete that file now, you go back to this file. Sometimes this file can be helpful depending on if your megabytes are finished. If your megabytes are not finished, you can always edit this file here with the ES File Explorer and just put a number, a random digit between the 0 and the 3 right here. Just put a random digit between it and save that file, and you can always begin using the Hammer VPN app again when your 150 megabyte is up. Or you could just delete the file. Alright, you could just delete the file, you know. After deleting it, and that's it, you would use device ID changer. After you install expose, install, and then you get the device ID changer, and then you randomize everything, apply it, press back, then back into Hammer VPN. Yep. After that, now you just write in your port number. Different numbers work for different folks depending on where you are and what phone network you're using. Now for me, 9201 works, in both sides. 9201, and then you press connect and it will connect, and that's it. Yeah.